everyone, Chris here at Digitopia Agency. Our team has been talking amongst all of the challenges with the coronavirus, and one of the things that occurred to us that could present a challenge for marketers is with companies moving so much of their workforce remote, a lot of employees are maybe working on the website or visiting the company website from their home IP address. Now, the challenge that presents for marketers is when it comes to reporting and analytics for your website traffic. Anytime one of your remote employees visits your website, your analytics tool is going to count that as a session hit, the same way it would for prospect traffic, lead traffic, visitors who you want to engage with in a marketing or sales conversation. So it's really important to make sure that as your workforce moves remote, and as they're visiting the website, perhaps working on it, that you're excluding out their IP address as a filter in all of your analytics tools. So if you're not already familiar with this process, I wanted to show you how to do this for your own analytics tools. The first step you want to do, simply go to Google, type in "what's my IP," and Google should return your home IP address for you pretty simply. And you just copy paste this essentially into your analytics tools in the exclusion section to make sure the IP address is filtered out. So what I'd recommend is contacting your employees, maybe putting together a spreadsheet and having them simply Google their IP address for you, plug it into the spreadsheet, and then one of your team members can go into your various analytics tools and then filter out all those IPs. If you're not familiar with how to do that in each tool, I wanted to show you how to do it in two of the most common tools. So Google Analytics is probably the preeminent authority on all things web analytics on the market. So let's start here, because I'd imagine a lot of you are on analytics here. First step, you want to go to this admin wheel on your left-hand side of the Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. It'll pull up these three columns for you: an account view, property view, and some individual views at which you can separate out your analytics data. You simply go to your account view, click on all filters, and then you can see we already have our internal IP at our office address filtered. Add another filter, and then you can begin adding in all the relevant IP addresses. You select what filter type, exclude, select traffic from the IP addresses, and then you can put as many as you want and separate them out by commas. Next, I thought I'd show you how to do this in HubSpot as well. HubSpot is another preeminent authority on all things, marketing, sales, reporting, analytics. So let's dive into our HubSpot portal here and show you. You're going to click on that settings wheel in the top right corner of your account. Let me move my little face here. Then you want to scroll on the left-hand column here to reports, and then click on tracking code. And I might have to move my face again. Okay. Then you'll have a few different options you could choose from. You want to go to advanced tracking. Scroll all the way down until you see exclude traffic. And then same thing here. Copy paste your IP addresses in here for your remote employees. Separate them out by commas, and you should be good to go. Thanks, guys.